How to change your name on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, if you've been considering changing your Facebook account name, profile name, or adding a nickname, here's how you can do it from the Facebook app on either your Android or iPhone. To begin, open the Facebook application and navigate to the menu. From there, go to the settings and tap on the icon for personal and account information at the top. And now simply go to see more in Account Center. After that, click on Profile. You can see the name over there. Click on it. And then after, you can simply change your first name, your middle name, or the last name. And set a new name for yourself as per your preference. And after that, simply click on Review Change option that is highlighted in blue color. So that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you can change your name on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.